We have 3 new card kits exclusively from Hot Off the Press. They are called Glitter and Gilded card kits, and you can see that we've got botanical, butterflies, and bouquets, all of them. But let's delve into the package because I really want to share with you what this has. We'll do the botanicals right now, and you can see what we call a product video on every single one of these packages. Now there are 42 cutouts, or die cuts is what it says. What we've done is we've taken the art that we've designed and we've printed it on silver metallic cardstock. We've also printed it on gold metallic cardstock. How pretty is that? And we've printed it on white glitter cardstock. So you're going to get some super shine with that too. So you're going to get all 3 of them. Now, they're cutouts. Well, you can fussy cut them out. That's perfectly fine. But we've also designed them so that you can use our cutting dies. So you can see these great big ovals. Well, those will fit out perfectly with our 10 oval and scallop dies. The circles, right here and right here and right there, will go out of our 12 circle and scallop dies. Now, those arches, let's see, there aren't arches in here. There are the 8 labels for your greetings. So that's what you're going to use for these kinds of shapes. So all of those you can do with scissors, as I said, or if you have these dies or similar dies, they will work too, just to give you an option and to make it super easy. Now, something else that we've included in the idea of making it super easy are coordinated papers. So we have 5. So we've got the purple and the red, pink, green, black and white, and another green, because with flowers you've got greens all over. And then we have 41 cutout greetings. All of these are also on cardstock. Now these have a green border as well as a black border, and there are some blank ones in case you want to add dazzles, you want to stamp, you want a computer journal, and you want to personalize in any way that you like. So all of those. Now in addition, we also have added some thin line dazzles. These are the gold, and there are 63 in here, and that's how we get to that wonderful count of 155 pieces. And as always with Hot Off the Press, we show you ideas. And so let me just give you an example. Here is the gold on a 5x5 card. How pretty is that with the purple and the green? And then you see the dazzles. That's the cutout greeting. Here we have an absolutely beautiful one with the glitter, or yes, the glitter. Isn't that pretty? Now, because you've got the oval cutting die, Lene decided to add the scalloped piece, and that's just really nice. And happy birthdays on the inside with a tad of the red. And then another one of pairing those 2 greens together with the silver botanical. Very nice. You can add ribbon, as a couple of the, actually, I guess all the designers did, and that just adds another touch. So all of this is brand new, and it is available exclusively at paperwishes.com. We have botanicals, we have butterflies, and we have bouquets. We hope you'll love them as much as we do.